kita warak lang nang hayo.
Okay. Hi. What's your name? Aiden?
Sheikh Khalifa Associate. If I hit one of you, I will take it with me Dubai. As soon as we come inside, there is a little cold.
Little what?
I feel little cold.
Ah. Hi guys! Nandito tayo sa Ras Al Khaimah. Biruin nyo yun guys. Oh, may farm pala dito. Hindi nyo akalain. May farm sa UAE. Ayun. Tayo sa
Dito, magmamalengke na pala tayo.
mamamalengke kami. Ayan. So, sa Ras Al Khaimah to guys. Ayan. UAE. My farm. Dito tayo sa talong-talong. Eggplant. 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 Medyo mainit lang. Kaya ako careless. Sili guys. Sili. Sili. Sri Lankan ang may-ari nito. Sobrang yaman. Pero yun, nagawa nila mag-farm sa UAE. Nagpuro buhangin. Ating naman. Yan. Ewan ko ano to. Eggplant ba to? Yung bilog-bilog. Eggplant. Ayan. Ayun sila. Nauna. Toot, 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 toot. Buti na lang talaga. Yun nga kasi winter pa, diba? Ano to? Garbage? Ah, okay. Ayun. Yung farmer, andun. Andun siya, si Kuya. Tapos si Sachin, Steph, and dito tayo sa farm. Farm Dining Restaurant. Naisingit pa. Ayan si Kuya. Ayan. Si Kuya. Ano to? Alugbate guys. Alugbate. Alugbate.
Finish for the greenhouse, we need to go around.
We'll finish from here.
Yeah, get the spinach.
Spinach?
Wait, I don't know.
Take it.
This is spinach?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Baby spinach.
Baby spinach. Ah, In my country, it's alugbati. Alugbati. Alugbati.
ආයෝ ගියා ඩුබායි ඔය තිබ්බ අර නිදාස් අන්න ඒකට ගියා ඔයගොල්ලෝ ගියාද ඒකට ඔව් ඒකට එළවලු අරන් එන්න සර් මේකක් අරගෙන එන්න ගිහින් ගොඩක් කල් දායි ආවිලා ආත් මේ පිටින් අපි ගමන් මේ ගමන් තමයි ඊළඟ මාසෙට වෙන ඉස්සෙල්ලා වෙන තැනක ගිහින් ආහා
Welcome to Jarian. Farming. Nandito tayo sa farming restaurant. Farming. Pati bata sa farm. Hi, bata! Hi, Aiden! Aiden! Are you happy? It's too hard.
Ha? Eggplant?
Sino kaya kayo po?
Hanapin ako.
Gago. Farm.
කඩලා කොහොම වෙනද
Silly picking. What's this? This is chili chicken. This is chili.
remove it after
Wow. All green.
ha oh
This is eggplant. Eggplant to guys. How fun. So this is small. How come? This is eggplant, guys. Aray. Ouch. Yeah, no. Oh, this is Baguio beans. Baguio beans, guys. Baguio beans. Is this chili? Chili?
Really, this name only.
Ah. Chili chicken. Charay. Wow. Nice. Are you working here? Working or owner? Owner? You are the owner? Ah. You're working here. Working.
Working.
Yeah. Yeah.
Me working.
What happened? This is the farm. It's a Santa farm. You see? What's this?
You have it in your country, right? You guys are eating this one.
In English.
Forgot.
I forgot the name also.
Ask from Stephanie. Babe, what's the name of this?
Ano nga to?
Lady fingers.
Kalimutan. Ah, lady fingers. Yeah. Okra. It's lady fingers. This is nice. Yeah. Oh, big. Too big. But the small one is nice. This one. What happened to you? Very nice. Ang puta kasi si Aji. Aidan, are you happy? You are in farm? Are you happy? No. Are you happy? Hindi daw ako happy.
Tama na, ang daming okra na niyan. Hindi ako makain ng okra.
Okra.
It will be cold, right?
Maybe because the sounds of the bird. Are you happy? Aidan, are you happy? Ano kaya ito i-zoom?
Ano ka ba? Intro ka ba? Hi.
I don't know.
This is beans, Baguio beans. Sa Pilipinas, Baguio beans. Green beans. Madlang people. Green beans stadium. Ay, puta. Hala, kuya. What happened? Ayun. Yeah. Sorry. Hala, galit si kuya. No, I will not do it again. Too much beans. carrots.